is a special train service for those who have registered themselves with the Uttar Pradesh government's portal. Remember how Bihar Chief Minister has already sought a lockdown extension, keeping in mind that there is a lot of migrant movement which is taking place as far as the state of Bihar is also concerned. But now Uttar Pradesh sending more migrants back to their home states. 4 trains that will be running from Greater Noida to Bihar starting tomorrow. A special train service, the Shramik trains, remember, which have been running in several parts of the country. This as well for those who have registered themselves with the Uttar Pradesh's government portal. Shantashi, my colleague, joining us with more details. Shantashi, first up, details of these 4 trains. This comes at a time when Bihar Chief Minister has already sought an extension of the lockdown, solely keeping in mind that so much migrant movement is taking place in and out of the state.
Yes, definitely. He also said that all these trains should not be run when the proposal was given that special trains will be run. He was clearly against it, but now we see that the decision has been come upon that the 4 trains will be ferrying all these migrants which will start from Greater Noida from tomorrow onwards. 2 of the trains would leave from Dadri railway station to Aurangabad and Sasaram, and the other 2 from Dankor railway station to Buxar and Siwan. This decision has been taken in compliance of the directive from the UP government, and the transport service will be allowed only for those Bihar migrants who have enrolled themselves. So yes, a registered is being maintained. The administration who is working day and night is definitely maintaining a list of migrants who are still stuck in the Greater Noida area, and only those people who have registered themselves, they are only being facilitated to special 4 trains, and then they are being ferried back to their homes. So yes, this is very important aid for these migrant laborers who have been stuck for the last 2 months in this area without any job or work, despite the measures that are being issued by the government time and again to help them financially, as well as food grains being given. Despite that, they have been continuously making a plea to get back home, and that's why, for their own benefit, the now district magistrate of Noida has actually issued this particular statement that 4 trains will be ferrying migrants back to their homes, and that is in the area of Sasaram, yes, Aurangabad, Buxar and Siwan. Yes.
Yes, because the worry for states like Bihar at this point in time is that a state like Bihar, which is reporting a little over 930 cases, will be receiving people from other states like Uttar Pradesh, which is in fact recording currently 3,700 plus cases. So more and more people coming in from several states back to their home states is also a worry. In that sense, several precautions that must be taken. The government has assured the same, but 4 more trains which will be running from Greater Noida to Bihar. Thank you, Shantashri.